Hello everyone, welcome back to Vihan's Cooking World. Today I'm going to make Pani Puri. These are the ingredients. 1 spoon red chili, 1 spoon chaat masala, 1 spoon garam masala, some sliced onions, 1 spoon salt and chopped and boiled potato. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients into the mashed potato. Now I'm gonna mix it. This is how it looks when the potatoes and spices are mixed together. Now we're gonna prepare the water with this powder. I put 3 spoons of it. And this is 3 chilies and ginger. This is half a spoon salt and mint leaves, coriander leaves and water. Now I'm going to add these 3 things, but not this powder. This is the filtered water. Now we're going to add 3 spoons of the Pani Puri masala. And now we're going to add a little bit more salt because when I was tasting it, there was kind of a less salt. So I'm going to add a little bit. Now I'm going to mix it. To this water, I'm going to add bundi. Bundi, 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 bundi. I added it for the taste. Now I'm going to mix it. I used this puri from the Indian store. And then I stuffed the potato masala, and then you have to dip it and then put it in your mouth. Super! Do this at home and enjoy. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and hit the bell button and subscribe. See you later.